Look closely at this image. Inside your body, right now, a silent disaster could be building up. Thick, yellow plaque narrowing your arteries, forcing your heart to work twice as hard until... click. Everything stops. But what if I told you there is a single, Nobel-prize winning molecule your body produces that acts like a pressure washer for your cardiovascular system? It dissolves stiffness, widens your vessels, and blasts blood flow to your brain, heart, and muscles. It's called nitric oxide. The problem? By the time you turn 40, your natural production drops by an astronomical 50%. Today on Heart and Longevity, we are revealing the top 7 natural nitric oxide powerhouses that can clean your arteries and save your life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed cold hands, unexpected fatigue, or a sudden spike in your blood pressure? Comment below right now, because those are the exact warning signs we are breaking down today. Before we look at food number 1, you must understand how this works. Your blood vessels are lined with a razor-thin layer of cells called the endothelium. This lining uses amino acids from your food to synthesize nitric oxide gas. Think of nitric oxide as a structural signal telling your blood vessels to relax and expand, a process known as vasodilation. When vasodilation happens, your blood pressure plunges, oxygen delivery skyrockets, and dangerous plaque cannot physically stick to your artery walls. If your diet lacks these essential precursors, your endothelium hardens, turning your blood vessels into brittle pipes prone to cracking and catastrophic blockages. So, let's weaponize your kitchen. Food number 1 is the undeniable heavy champion of circulation, beetroot. Beets are completely packed with inorganic nitrates. When you chew them, salivary bacteria convert these nitrates into nitrites, which your body effortlessly transforms straight into pure nitric oxide. In fact, clinical studies show that drinking just 1 glass of beetroot juice can plunge systolic blood pressure by up to 10 points within a mere 3 hours. Pro tip for maximum absorption. Never use antibacterial mouthwash right after eating beets or drinking beet juice, because you will completely kill the good mouth bacteria required to activate the nitric oxide pathway. Next up at number 2, arugula and leafy greens. Many people think spinach is the king of greens, but grammatically and scientifically, arugula actually destroys spinach when it comes to nitrate concentration per gram. Eating a single large bowl of arugula salad daily has been shown in human trials to restore youth-like elasticity to stiffened, aging arteries. Are you eating enough greens every day? Let me know in the comments how many servings of green vegetables you honestly had yesterday. Be honest, we are a community focused on healing together. Food number 3 is nature's ultimate heart shield, the pomegranate. Pomegranates don't just boost nitric oxide, they protect the molecule from breaking down. They are overflowing with potent antioxidants called polyphenols, which shield delicate nitric oxide gas from destructive free radicals. Even better, clinical research published in the American Journal of Cardiology demonstrated that drinking pure pomegranate juice daily for 3 months actually reversed existing carotid artery blockages by a massive 30%. It is a literal biological eraser for arterial plaque. At number 4, we have a kitchen staple you probably use every single day, but you are likely using it wrong: garlic. Garlic doesn't contain massive amounts of nitrates itself. Instead, it contains a magical sulfur compound called allicin. Allicin acts as a biological ignition switch for an enzyme called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, or ENOS. This enzyme is what forces your body to manufacture its own internal nitric oxide. Crucial rule: to activate this process, you must crush or mince your garlic and let it sit on the cutting board for 10 full minutes before cooking it. Heating garlic immediately kills the delicate enzyme before it can even form. Food number 5 is a true luxury: dark chocolate. But wait, before you grab a sugary candy bar, I am talking explicitly about dark chocolate containing 85% cacao or higher. Cacao is rich in epicatechin, a plant flavonol that hyperactivates your blood vessels lining to release massive surges of nitric oxide. A quick question for the crowd. What is your absolute favorite percentage of dark chocolate? Do you prefer 70%, 85%, or are you brave enough for the dark, bitter 99%? Drop it in the comments below. Number 6 brings us to a crucial dual-action combination: walnuts and citrus fruits. Walnuts are loaded with L-arginine, the core amino acid your body directly converts into nitric oxide. When you combine walnuts with the high vitamin C found in citrus fruits like oranges or lemons, something incredible happens. Vitamin C stabilizes the L-arginine pathway, preventing it from degrading into waste products and increasing nitric oxide bioavailability by up to 3-fold. A handful of walnuts paired with an orange slice is the ultimate mid-afternoon cardiovascular power snack. We have finally reached food number 7, and it is the most refreshing vessel expander on Earth: watermelon. Watermelon is the richest natural source of an amino acid named L-citrulline. When you ingest L-citrulline, your kidneys efficiently process it and transform it into L-arginine, creating a slow-released, long-lasting reservoir of raw materials for non-stop nitric oxide generation. Unlike taking direct arginine supplements, which your liver instantly destroys, the citrulline in watermelon completely bypasses liver breakdown, making it infinitely more effective at curing cold feet, reducing erectile dysfunction, and flushing out stiff arteries. Your cardiovascular system spans over 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Feeding them the right nitric oxide blocks is the ultimate key to continuous energy, a sharp mind, and decades of vibrant health. If you found this guide valuable, please hit that like button right now. It tells the algorithm to push this life-saving information to someone who desperately needs to see it today. Don't forget to subscribe to Heart and Longevity and click that notification bell so you never miss a step in your journey to optimal health. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the very next video.